Hey guys, so in the upcoming tutorials we are going to see how we can make a to-do application where user can come and enter the task which they want to register as to-do, and they will be also able to remove the task once they have completed. Let's quickly see what's going to happen. So I'll say to-do 1, and if I click on submit we can see that to-do 1 got submitted. What we'll do is we'll also create one more to-do, that is to do 2. Click on submit. Now if I delete on to do 1 it gets deleted, if I delete on to do 2 it gets deleted. Also, if you would have noticed, we have added some basic animations, so we'll also see that how that animation works. So if I click on submit button you can see that there is a transition, right? Like the opacity and other things are changing, so those sort of animations also we'll look into it. And also if you see, we have played somewhat with the styling, that is like how can you give color, how can you give border and the other stuff, right? So let's continue with the tutorial and let's build this application. Thank you.